Yep. So we out here. We're diehards. These guys are diehards. We had about 5 or 6 people, actually 7 people.
7 people.
Canceled because it was raining.
Yep.
Raining don't stop bullets.
Afraid to get wet. This is a 2 Alphas Talk. We out here in the rain, April 21st, and this is our meet and greet. So if you didn't make it out here to shoot rifles, that's on you, because the next time we're going to have another meet and greet, you better show up.
That's it.
And we'll see you there.
We'll see you then.
Number 1 is they're saying call 911, but fuck that. Number 2, you can either put the gloves on if you want to or not. I'm not going to do it with these guys. I know that. Once the buzzer goes off, you engage T1 to T6 with 2 rounds. So if you start over here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you got to reload, right? Do you reload? Finish up. Okay? If you think you need to go back and clean them up, you go back and clean them up. All right? We're not going to require headshots today for this. It's all weird and shit. So, all right, real simple. 2, 2, 2, 2. Reload. Huh? What do you mean? No. I didn't sit. Oh, yeah. The second stage, you're gonna be sitting down. So I'm gonna bring that chair. I didn't bring it out here, so I didn't want to get wet. But second stage after this, you're gonna be sitting down doing the same exact thing. Okay.
So the second first.
Yeah. And it's perfect because you won't be shooting over the bus. Stand by. Well, we're trying to get in the A zone. That's another 0. 0, 0, 0, and 0. 0 down.
I was gonna face this. All right. You ready? Stand by. Safety is on. Zero, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Stand by. And
Yeah.
just 0, 0. All right, cool.
Fuck.
Reload, engage. All right? Pretty simple. Come on.
You ready? All right. Stand by.
You want to sit it?
Yeah.
No, that's it.
Yeah. One thing.
said 1-1. All right.
Oh shit.
We got a 0-0. And 0.
So 2.
Yep. 2 down.
Stand by.
Bunch of 1s.
You gotta pull it.
All right, range clear.
All right, stand by. One, two. I got 1, 0.
So, learning experience. Come on down. Sight over board.
That's what it is.
You know where your aim point should be? Is that place? Yeah. You know where your aim point should be? Yeah. No. Where you sitting down at? Sitting right about here. It's because you're less than almost close to 7 yards. Remember, your sign of a bore is going to be what? Look at your dot. 3 inches. 3 inches from the aim point. So if it's an aim point, so it's 3 inches, you should be aiming here. You're actually aiming right about here. Okay? Thinking you hit in this spot. That's why all your shots are way down low, as slow.
Okay.
So just bring your aim point up. The closer you are, the higher the aim point.
Okay.
All right? No more than 3 inches.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Stand by. Fuck you, bitches. All right, range the foot. How much?
0. 0. Make sure you get there.
Huh?
Make sure you get there.
Oh, look at that.
2. Close 2.
That's 0.
Tight 2.
Oh, shit.
It was tight though.
Yeah, I came up, that's after the reload.
Right.
So when I came up too fast and hit that trigger. I knew what I did.
Hey, Chris. Shooter, are you ready? Shooter's ready. Stand by. Beat.
Oh, it's going to.
Unload and make safe. All right. Awesome.
15 down. 1.
0.
1.
Yeah.
Oh, what we got down there?
You got 1 in here. Yeah, there's 1 of them.
What was that last one? You get a 0 on. 50 on. Listen to the buzzer. Wait for the buzzer. That's there you go. What's that on? There.
Yo.
All right, guys, we had a hell of a day of shooting. You can see the targets behind us. We had to cover them up with plastic because it's still raining.
Yeah.
And
Didn't stop nothing.
no, it didn't stop anything.
Yeah.
We still
a
got
lot of fun.
guys came out and did some shooting.
Some people learned some things. Some people realized what they had to do better, and some things less. Some people signed up for classes. It's a good day.
Yeah. And other than that, we'll see you guys in the range next time.
See you on the range, boys.